you'll be able to see the comparison side by side for both of them now. So it's up to you now to go ahead and guess which one is which. Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. In this episode, what we are going to do is we are going to compare a webcam, that also not a Logitech C920 or big webcam. It's a normal cheap $10 to $12 webcam. We are going to compare that with a Panasonic G7, and we are going to see whether it is really required for us to go ahead and get a DSLR for making our videos. And we will go ahead and test it side by side as you have seen earlier. And let's start with the testing with a quick intro over here. Okay guys, this is the both the cameras set up next to each other. I will tell you which is which, but this is without the lighting. That is, there's no rim light or the headlight over here. There's no front light. There's nothing. So this is set up without the lighting. Now I will go ahead and switch on just the rim light, and we will see the effect also of that. So I'm just setting up the rim light. That is the headlight also. You can go ahead, headlight you can. So with the highlight, we have both the cameras set up, and I will go ahead and tell you which is which. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and turn on my main light also, and see which is better. Okay. So now all the three lights have been switched on. That is the normal RGB which is behind me, then there's a highlight, and there's the main key light which is giving the light to the face. So they have been turned on, and you'll be able to see the comparison side by side for both of them now. So it's up to you now to go ahead and guess which one is which. In the this side, you'll be able to see the clarity is much more good, and in the right side you'll be able to see the color comparison is good. Have you guessed it yet, which one is which? Okay, not a problem. I will go ahead and tell you. The camera to your left is the webcam. That is a Zebronics webcam, which is a $10 to $12 webcam, and the brightness is not just yet covered on that. We have a built-in flash in that, so that if I increase the brightness, it will increase more and more however you want. It has a button to go ahead and control its own brightness also. So the clarity in that cam, see, the clarity in this cam is not at all bad. I'm in the webcam now in this side, and in the right hand side you have the color quality that comes with the DSLR, which cannot be compared to the webcam anytime. So now let me just go separately and show you the difference in the webcam and the DSLR. I'll switch in between both of them and I'll show you that. Okay guys, this is the webcam. Sorry, this is the Panasonic cam. You just see the lights and everything are coming all together. Obviously, it is an expensive camera. So like you do get everything over here. Like about $600 you're paying for it. So you're getting the normal lights and the colors. Everything is coming naturally to it because you have excessive settings for that and that. So now we'll just switch to our different camera over here. Just give me a minute. Okay, now we are in the web camera. So over here what you can see is you're getting the lighting over here is kind of good. Yeah, I don't see any. Actually, I don't see that much difference. You can reduce the brightness also, increase the brightness also with the light, in case you don't have a separate light also. but the only thing is the color is not that natural as much as in the you can see on a DSLR. The color is not that natural. Like if you see a side by side comparison also, here the color is natural in the right hand side, in left hand side the color is not natural. And but if you see, for normal regular use or normal startup recording process, both these cameras are pretty good. And if you also have a Zebronics one, and in like it's not even $10 to $12, like you can go ahead and purchase it. It's called as a Zebronics Ultimate Plus. In case you require the link, I'll leave it in the description. If you're looking out for a good webcam, you can go for Logitech, but that comes a little bit expensive. But if you're just going to start a channel, or if you're going to go ahead and live stream on Facebook or YouTube or any other things, or you want to go ahead and do a normal Zoom call also, or for work from home also, this is more than enough for you, the Zebronics webcam, which I'm using, because the quality is top notch. And both these cameras are in the same resolution, that is 1980 into 16, oh sorry, 1920 into 1080 resolution, that is full HD. I've kept it in the same resolution to give you a proper comparison in back to back, that's side to side. So that's what I have done over here. So if you do have any doubts regarding this, please go ahead and mention your comments below, and you tell me which camera did you like better. Would that be a Panasonic G7, that's a DSLR? Just keep it as a DSLR. Or a normal webcam, a cheap webcam. People say like it's not good and everything should not go for cheap webcam. You tell me. There is a good color combination over here. But for a normal recording, starting when you're starting up anything, do you really require a DSLR? That is my question to you. Do leave your comments over here. And if you did like this video, please do go ahead and give a thumbs up so that we can go ahead and continue our journey together. And subscribe if you do have time to go ahead and watch my other videos. And for my previous video, you can click over here, and for my next video, I mean for all the videos which I do over here, you can click over here. You do also have some tutorials in my channel which will help you out. And until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.